Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel and my name is Sandy. Today I'm going to be participating in the Fall $10 Thrift Challenge, and this is a challenge that's hosted each season by Kimberly over at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I'm going to be linking her channel in the description box below, as well as the playlist, because there will be a lot of other participants in here and you can see all the goodies that we find at our local thrift stores. So basically all we have to do in this particular collab is to go to our local thrift store, garage sale, anything like that, and purchase an item or items that you can use in your home for the fall season, but it has to be $10 or less. All right, so if you'd like to see what I picked up for this challenge, then just keep watching. All right, so this is the item that I found, and I was so thrilled to find this. It is absolutely beautiful. It is golden brass color. It's got the round base here, the long arm on here, and then the light bulb goes here in a little dome over it. I thought this was so pretty and perfect for my home. Now, I am really into lighting in my home. I love to have the lights off, but then have like little lamps on a dimmer switch or something, just to create a real cozy vibe, especially during the fall and winter season. So I thought this was a perfect addition to my living room, and that's where I'm going to style this. Now, this lamp was brand new. Tag is still on it. It's Project 62. Not sure where they sell that, but it was $9.99. Beautiful, beautiful lamp, I thought. So let me show you how I'm going to style that. I'm actually going to place it right here in my living room.
So here she is in her new home, and I really like it. I think it really matches very nicely with my living room decor, and that's why I grabbed it. It was certainly my style, and I really felt that it would be a great addition to my home. And that's one of the reasons why I love thrifting so much. You just never know what you can find, but when you can find something that fits perfectly into your space, that you can come right home, clean it off, and put it down, and it just works. Oh yeah, that's what I like about thrifting. I would like to thank Kimberly for hosting this open collab each quarter. It is so much fun to participate in. Please be sure to stop by her channel. The description box will have the link to her channel, as well as the playlist, so that you can see what other fabulous finds people have found around their local thrift stores. Thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate you stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing before you leave today. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And if you're returning today, thank you so much. I'm so happy that you stopped by, and I appreciate your support. I hope to see each and every one of you over here on my next video. Bye-bye.